So now we're going to make a short rib. This is a short rib. It's around 350 to 400 gram size, English short rib, or we call it Jacob's ladder. Slightly longer than the usual short rib. Normally it's like this length. I want it slightly bigger. So this is like 8 to 9 centimeter cut. Normally it's 6 to 7 centimeter. So I got some whole short rib, and one of the short rib I cut into small cubes. Sliced onions. I'm adding 2 medium-sized onions. Now ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, good enough. Chopped tomato from the tin. You can add around 5 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, if it's really hot, chili powder, a quarter of it. Add some oil, 4 tablespoons. Adding around half a cup of thick yogurt. Add in salt. Mix everything. Add in coriander powder, 3 tablespoons. Add in hot water, just enough to cover. Added 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and adding some coriander shoots. You can add the mint leaf shoots as well. So leave it like this and then cover. Cook in the pressure around 2 minutes on a high pressure, and then bring it down to slow. Then bring it down to slow and cook it for another 40 minutes on a slow heat. So now the meat is pressure cooked. It's really soft. All the sauce came together. Nice flavor. If you want to add seasoning, a bit more chili, you can add it, and some salt if you need it. Now to finish, I'm breaking some coriander leaf and then mixing it up. If you have mint, you can add it at this stage, so the flavor is amazing. Finish with some green chilies. So now to finish off the biryani, I use a pan, or you can use a heavy bottom pan. Oil or ghee. I just want it light, so I'm putting oil. Put the sauce. You can keep it on a low flame. So put 1 layer like this. Now add in the rice. You can check my other videos how we cook the rice for the biryanis. So you can follow that one. So 1 thin layer. Add in the bigger piece, the short rib. The bone just came off, but it's fine. We can use it for presentation. So keep the bone. So some more gravy with the meats. So if you want to add fried onions, more mint and everything, you can do it. But this is simple way, easy. You don't need to complicate things. So cover with another layer of rice. So now cover with the remaining sauce and the meat on the top. And now finish with 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want to use ghee, you can use at this stage. So now we just cover it, increase the heat, keep it in a high heat for a minute, ensure it's covered completely, and the steam to escape that side, I'm just covering with a wet kitchen towel or kitchen cloth. I just found the steam is escaping, so I just put some aluminum foil and then cover it, so the steam is properly trapped inside now. So now let's plate it up. Open. Just take enough portion, and then take the short rib, the bigger one. Ideally it'll be like this. So your short rib biryani is ready. Now just jump in and eat.